In the second video of white light, I'm going to discuss a little bit more about it. In my classes, I teach the children about using the white light. I have them use the white light in the guided meditations. I have it, they completely get filled up with it. It overflows, over cascading over their body, that shines out through all of their pores. They become that white light. And I have them do other techniques also utilizing the white light in my guided meditation classes. White light is very cleansing and healing, protective. It is so, so powerful. And I've stated before, is it has all the colors in it. When you hold up a prism, it's clear. And the white light, what is it? It has every single color in it. So the white is the superior light of all of them. It's the purest form of the colors. In my healing prayer pillows here, they come in a plastic bag. They come with a laminated bookmark that is also the instruction card. The Heaven Blessed Healing Prayer Pillow, the healing power of prayer. Your pillow and this bookmark were infused with the power of prayer and healing energy by a group of compassionate spiritual healers. Use these blessed items anytime or daily. Hold your pillow close to you. You can hold it close to you, clutch it in your hand, or place it anywhere on your body that needs the power of prayer and healing. You can even keep it with you as you sleep. Know in your heart that the blessings of these comforting items are at work deep within you. May you find comfort and healing in each of your days, which are blessed by the heavens above. Bookmark and also the pillow, bookmark instruction card, and also the pillow, both were infused and energized with the healing protective energy. Inside of each one of the pillows, right inside, feel it right there, is a small little clear quartz crystal, traditional energy, and it comes with a little tab that says Heaven Blessed on it. This makes an excellent gift for somebody who might be in the hospital, somebody who might be home not feeling well, who's sad, has gone through some things, that needs some extra comfort, that needs some extra healing, that needs some spiritual, religious connection. So what a great gift. This is a extra bag I had, but I have these other bags that come in, and they'll have the label on it. And so this is a great, great tool for not only you and the whole family, but also to be able to use in your practice if you're a practitioner, if you're a counselor, caring with children, and maybe even police that work with children that ended up in a situation that things that have happened, then they need some comfort and something to clutch onto. And so we all need that at times, some comfort and also something that can help us feel good, as well as the energy that this has been infused with, that they will be able to pick up on to help soothe them and to help heal them and comfort them. You can find these on my website. I'm on Etsy. I'm YouTube, TikTok, and all over on social media. And I would love it if you would like and then also subscribe to this channel